two on our left. We call them crocodiles. They also have a name for us. They cost lunch. So let's go. I don't want to become their lunch. And now, up ahead is the campsites of African elephants. Yes, hello, good morning everyone. Yes, and this African elephant, this one, is the number 2 most feared animal in France. Number 2. And where's number 1? Number 1 on our right hand side. Yes, his mother-in-law. His mother-in-law, very angry now. Let's go. Oh no, something is under the water. Hey Paul. Oh no, one giant